Welcome everyone. Abdul, while driving to school, computes the average speed for his trip to be 20 km per hour. On his return trip, along the same route, there is the less traffic and the average speed is 30 km per hour. What is the average speed for Abdul's trip? So, let us consider it is Abdul's home and he want to go to school. And also let us consider d is the path length or it is the distance. Okay, d is the path length in moving from home to school. I cannot say the displacement because it is here, it is said it is the speed. So we can say small d is a path length. Maybe somewhere he basically takes a turn or whatever bit. Maybe Abdul's path is somewhere something like this. We don't know. Whatever be it, we have considered here, let the path length in reaching school, the path length in reaching school is, let us say, d meter. The average speed of Abdul in reaching his school is 20 km per hour. So we can say he going, that is from home to school, is 20 km per hour. So if I want to calculate that what is the time taken by the Abdul in going, so we can say t going is equal to d divided by 20 hour, where d is the path length. On his return trip, these things need to be understood. He have not followed any other path. If he moves from home to school in a straight path, he returning back along the same path. If he moves to the school along any curvilinear path, he returns to his home by following the same curvilinear path. So the path length in reaching school and returning home is same, but the speeds are different because of the traffic. So we can say it is v returning, that is 30 km per hour. So what is the time taken by the Abdul in returning back? Obviously slightly bit of less of time. Returning is equal to d divided by 30 hour. Okay. For simplistic notation, if I say this thing is my v1 and this thing is t1, represented the going by 1, then the returning will be v2 and t2. Now if I try to apply the formula of the average speed, then V average equal to total path divided by total time. What is the total path here? D in the time of going and D in the time of returning. So d plus d divided by 20, that is in the time of going, d divided by 30, that is in the time of returning. So that is 2d. If I take d common from here, that will be 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30. So if this d and this d cancels out, then this will become 2 into 20 into 30 divided by 30 plus 20. So this is 2 into 20 into 30 divided by 50. These 0 and these 0 will be cancelled out and this becomes 4. So 4 into 3 is 12, 12 into 2 is 24. So 24 km per hour will be the average speed of Abdul in total trip in going from home to school and again from school to home. Thank you all of you.